How to check Wendy's allergen information before ordering. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Wendy's on your device. Here, click on View Our Menu at the top. After you click on View Our Menu at the top, it will lead you to this page. Here, select the item you want. After you've selected the item you want, it will give you its variations. Select the variation, and here you'll find allergen. You'll find nutrition. Below it, you'll find allergens, and you'll find allergens, options, informations. As you can see in this case, it's wheat, and this item does not directly contain allergens. Please review the full ingredients. You can go through the ingredients as well on the right side. And this is how to check Wendy's allergens information before ordering. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.